How to say open Snap again on Snapchat. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can see the open Snap again on Snapchat. Once you have opened a Snap on your Snapchat, it cannot be viewed again from the within the app itself because Snapchat design is based on messaging. So here's the process how you can manage and forcibly review your open Snap. First of all, you have to go and launch your Snapchat here and you have to go to your chat. Swipe right here, access your chat screen. And you have to tap on the conversation where you want to save the snap. Just go and open up the one of the snap that sender has sent you and here you can see this save option. You have to go and save the snap. After saving the snap here you can check your saved snap to view your snap again. If you have saved the snap to your memories before opening it, so you have to swipe up to your camera or tap on the small photo icon below the capture button. So you can find your memories or save inside here. Also you can ask to the sender to send the image again. So if Snapchat update this feature in future, they might offer new ways to manage or review Open Snap. So you have to keep an eye on app or updates or official announcement, which is a good idea. So with the help of this process, you will know about how you can see the Open Snap again on Snapchat. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.